What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video me and Ollie are going to be racing our toy cars. It's going to be pretty dope. So in this video it's going to be a very hard video to film for me because we're using multiple cameras and I have to transfer them. So please, if you could do it, smash that subscribe button. And I'm looking at myself, sorry. Anyway, looking at the camera. Subscribe, and yeah, this video is gonna be dope, so don't leave. Alright guys, so we're about to start. Ollie's getting the Rover, I'm in the Cadillac.
Listen to these sounds, guys.
We got a recorder over there. We're gonna win.
Starting sounds.
Listen to the starting sound.
That's just how you know I'm gonna win.
You're gonna lose. And Milo takes the lead.
Cheated. He cheated.
For watching another awesome video. If you guys want to see more cool videos like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I won. Yeah. Make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.